放啊？自己煙花自己放，佢淨係俾啲 uptown 啲人睇嘅啫，係嘛？我哋 downtown 不嬲都有噶嘛，有冇搞錯啊 ？And then they changed the location and they didn't really mention it. They just say many are like, oh okay, you can watch the fireworks from 14, 24, 34, something like for the highways, right, in the East River. But this is the sites that we used to have the fireworks, and there's nothing that makes so many people disappointed for the neighborhood. See, we have our own. They said they fired their own fireworks. I don't want to get too close. I don't want to get people in problem. But you know, there's so many still people over there waiting. Let's see ours anyway. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! We get our own fireworks. Like, you know, fireworks is not only for the uptown girl, uptown people. You should do like people that what we used to have, like every borough almost I would say, like Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, they can show it. And then we can only like here we have our own party and some fireworks.